everybody, Las Vegas Bus Sales.
Take a walk around, check it out. Hey everybody, it's Las Vegas Bus Sales. Johnny Ringo here, excited to show you a very special bus. Check this out. That's a 2019 Bluebird Vision. It is powered by propane. Clean fuel, fuel efficient. We're gonna take a walk around, check it out. In the back, 28 positions for passengers to ride on some very nice seats with armrests. They're very unique. And let's take a round, check it out. This is a very clean bus. Most importantly about this bus, the tires are awesome, amazing, great, good, brand new. We've got it running here for you so you can hear that propane powered engine. Sounds nice and clean. See if Alex can get a little footage of the engine there. I mean, really smooth running. That 6.8 V10 under the hood there. I don't know if I mentioned that. We got some jets flying over. Dirty. But hear that? Not the jets, but the engine. Sounds good. Tires. We do have hydraulic brakes on this bus. And look at that, look at the straight lines. Just a good looking little Vision bus. A little shorter than some of the Visions I've shown around here. Got our fuse panel there. Everything's in great shape. Got your batteries. Look at that, October 4th, 2024. Looking good. Skirt mounted AC condensers. How's it look under there, Alex?
Rust free.
Rust free. Serve as a great little shuttle people mover. Rear tires. They're looking good too. Nice. Looking good. I really love those lines, don't you, Alex? Look at those windows.
Yeah, those are really
Those bonded windows.
really cool.
Straight bumper on the rear end. No one's running into anything. There is a little action on that corner over there. I did spot that. But look at here. Luggage. Look at. Oh. Looking good. Got a car backing up. I wanted to make sure I didn't get hit. Very clean passenger side. There's your fill for your liquid petroleum gas, propane. That's how you'd feel it. How much propane does that hold?
350 PSI.
Nice.
Yeah.
Looks good. And by the way, in this ride, Alex, we put new tires on this. We have new tires on this side, new front steers, but the tires were like new, the outer, so we put the two on the other side, those Continentals.
Yeah.
So all the tires are, those are like new, they're practically new, but these are brand new, the fronts and the sides here. You get what I'm saying here. But you know what, let's go inside the bus and check it out. This is where it really get impressed. I get super impressed in here. Look at this. Driver's area. You got a manual bifold door, and that driver's area is in great shape. All your buttons and switches. 183,000 miles. And look at there. Actually, we're missing something right there. We could replace that. Get that put in there for you. Horn works. But look at these awesome seats. This is an upgrade for a little Bluebird Vision. You got 3-point seat belt. You got armrests. Look at me, I'm 6'2". Move down the road comfortably in this. What do you think of the seats, Alex?
I think they're good.
Alex, we'll get the top of my head.
Dude, you got plenty of leg room. These seats seem to like... I've never seen these seats before.
Yeah?
Right?
Yeah.
These are new.
Got a large AC in the rear. Look at that sucker. Removing some cold, cool air over your passengers from that.
Nice. Oh, check out these windows. They're not your standard school bus windows.
No, they're not. Touring style, would that be? We've got heat in the front and rear. We got the heat going right now. Just trying it out. Well, isn't that cool? 2019 Bluebird Vision powered by propane. Pricing and availability. Go to LasVegasBusSales.com. If you'd like to talk to us about this, give us a call, 877-456-9804. It's a beautiful day in Las Vegas. Have a nice day.